If you have an old crappy car like me, or even a nice older car, you probably have a rusty exhaust system. I'm going to show you how to easily replace a rusted out piece like this with a nice stainless steel band clamp. The only tool you're going to need is a Sawzall. If you don't have a Sawzall, you could probably use a hacksaw. It's just going to take a little bit longer. And whatever size wrenches you need to tighten down your clamp. I bought this clamp off Amazon. I want to say it was like $7. And guys, I should have filmed replacing it, but I didn't because, you know, it's kind of a dirty job. You're under the car. You know, this is kind of vibrating while you're cutting and all the dirt's falling in your face. But I swear it was maybe, I don't know, 10-15 minutes at the most. It took me longer to jack the car up than it did to do this whole job. So I've had a bad exhaust leak for, I don't know, 2 years probably. And it's just drones away going down the highway driving me crazy. And I showed you the piece before, and here it is again. You can see this flange where the muffler right here bolted up to the rest of the exhaust system. That's what this is. You can see it's rusted right out. That thing is not going to seal anything. There's a giant gap right through it. So all we did, took the Sawzall, sliced on both sides of it, slid this clamp right over it, and I mean, look at that. That is a perfect fit. I was going to get a little piece of 2-inch because this, you got to measure your exhaust, measure the OD. Some exhausts will, that you'll see online, you'll see it measured OD, ID. Make sure you're measuring, whatever you're buying, make sure it's the same as what you measured. So I measured the outside diameter of both these pipes. They were both 2 inches. So I bought a 2-inch diameter, outside diameter band clamp, and you just slip it right over the pipes, tighten down your bolts. Mine were 15 millimeters, and I mean, that is a perfect seal. I started it up. It's nice and quiet. I mean, as quiet as it can be with a 17-year-old muffler on here, but it at least goes through the muffler now and not dumps out immediately before it. I've never used one of these band clamps before, but I'm definitely going to again. Much cheaper than paying somebody to weld it or patch it up, and seriously, it was easier than sticking muffler clamps and a unit over it. And I really think it's a cleaner look too overall, and it's stainless steel, so it shouldn't rust out. This should outlast the car. Like I said, I really wish I would have filmed this to show you just how easy it was, but it would have been a lot of noise with the Sawzall going, and I honestly didn't realize it was going to be so stinking simple. But at any rate, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.